Lysosome. The lysosome is part of the animal cell, which contains many different organelles including the lysosome. The lysosome looks like a sack of acid. It may look cute to some, but don't be fooled. It can be deadly to any intruders into the cell. Here is a quick description of it and its role it plays in keeping the cell healthy and living. Lysosomes are membrane-bound vesicles that contain special acid, which they then inject, causing to break down proteins, acid, lipids, and debris, and carbohydrates, and they are made in the endoplasmic reticulum. Lysosomes break down any foreign bacteria and diseases, and are one of the main reasons why the cell is healthy and active. If the lysosome didn't exist, the cell will build up in viruses, bacteria, and foreign garbage, overall leading to the sickness and or death of the animal. Furthermore, the lysosome is vital in keeping the cell healthy and active. The sperm cell. The sperm cell is a male reproductive cell, also called the sex cell. They are the cells that when two or more are combined, they can produce a completely new organism. The head of the cell contains genetic information, which they then inject in the egg cell membrane. A sperm cell consists of two parts, the head and the tail. The overall function of the cell make it perfectly designed to carry out its function. The job the sperm cell has is to pass on genetic information or DNA, and when it reaches the egg cell, it injects the DNA into it, and as a result, to form a new organism. Parenchyma cell. Plants contain numerous amounts of specialized cells and tissues which are designed to carry out life functions. Parenchyma cells have large central vacuoles, which are large membrane-enclosed organelles found in many plant cells. These are like the airbag inside. These vacuoles are able to use by plant cells to store materials and to maintain optimal pressure within the cell of the plant, so they're basically a storage closet. Parenchyma cells serve many functions. Their role is largely based on the location in the plant that can determine whether they will serve in storage or damage repair. I will now state the similarities and differences between the cells. Differences. The sperm cell is a reproductive cell, whereas the parenchyma cell is a plant storage cell. Differences. The sperm cell moves and has a tail, whereas the parenchyma cell is neutral. Differences. The parenchyma cell does photosynthesis and has chloroplast, and the sperm cell doesn't. Differences. Parenchyma cell has a cell wall, whereas the sperm cell doesn't. Similarities. They can both store DNA and genetic information. The scientist I chose is Alan Tronson. I chose Alan Tronson, and after doing some research, I know I've made the right choice. Alan was born on February 16, 1946, and is currently 70 years old. Alan is a biologist and was previous president of the California Institute for Regeneration Medicine. Alan introduced two first-world procedures which greatly improved the success rate in vitro fertilization. There were the use of a fertility drug to induce multiple ova and the freezing of embryos for future use. These procedures enabled more than 3 million women worldwide to conceive successfully. Thank you for your time.